In a weathered textile town, Mara started a village repair cooperative that taught mending and upcycling to neighbors. The program unlocked steady local jobs and a monthly market that revived crafts and kept clothes out of landfills. Within 3 years, the cooperative partnered with larger brands to scale repair services nationwide, inspiring other towns to join. Mara's model combined fair pricing, community ownership, and open tutorials that others widely adopted. The result was a self-sustaining ecosystem, turning a small town into a blueprint for sustainable entrepreneurship.